Hi everyone, so in this video here I'm going to show you how to get rid of this gunk that was created by the leftover wax, and let's get into it right now. So for this task, in order to do this, you're going to use some steel wool. You're going to use this foam that's in it, and what I have here, easy off. This thing is used to clean your oven inside when it gets pretty dirty. Okay, so let's understand the situation here. The previous owner has put some nasty that wax. So he didn't use this chain lube. He used that wax. And what happened here? He let it dry, and now I have a problem that I have to deal with. Now, for you guys that want to avoid this issue, I would suggest just use some CL1 Park 2 lube. You'll be fine. I will put the link in the description, and then you're all set. Okay, now speaking about this is the area here, see? This is the area that I treated. It came out lovely. So now what I have done over here, I have some steel wool, and I just applied this this foam. Now what you want to do, you want to shake it before you use this. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to apply. So I stopped right here. So let's do one link here on camera, so you guys can see this, how this works. So I'm gonna push the camera a little over, and I'm gonna do this chain side over here where the crank is. Okay, so let's see this. Wow, I can already see this coming off. Okay. Okay, that was enough. Okay, so I'm gonna just flip this on the other side, and I'm gonna wipe the black residue. And now look at the results there. Beautiful. I'm gonna just get you to see there. That is just lovely there. Now, if you see, you should see black stuff coming off, and that's basically that. So this is it. So you see, in a matter of what, 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, I've done 3 links. And if you look at this area here, this is the area that's not treated. So you see the difference? That tells you a lot. And always use these gloves, because if you're gonna go do all the chain links, you wanna use these gloves. And that's pretty much. So what I will do for you guys, I'm gonna link in description the CL1 lube, as well as the easy off this stuff that I really used, and it works very effectively. Hope you find this useful. If you do, give it a thumbs up so other people can see this. And let's see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.